Happy New Year! I just wanted to pop on before I go to bed. It is almost 2. I just wanted to thank everybody who rocked with Haiku Creations this year. I love and appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I hope you brought in the new year with family, friends, loved ones of any kind, and that you all had a safe and happy New Year celebration. And I can't wait to see what we create in 2024. So, from me and my family to you and yours, Happy New Year, and let's make great memories going forward. Love you guys. Toodles.
Thank you for the happy